Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have something special in store for you. The Viz-Pro tamper-proof lockable cork notice board. If you're in need of a bulletin board that's not only functional but also stylish, you're in the right place. Stick around because we're diving deep into this fantastic notice board. Let's start by saying that this is hands down one of the best notice boards available in the market. Whether you need it for your home, office, school, or any other space, this Viz-Pro notice board has got you covered. Now, let's talk about what makes this notice board stand out from the rest. First up, it's all about the quality. The Viz-Pro notice board features an environmentally friendly natural cork backing. It's self-healing, which means it accepts pins without leaving unsightly holes. No more worrying about damaging your notices or posters. But what really sets this notice board apart is its security. It's lockable. You heard that right. With a shatterproof acrylic door, an anti-scratch silver-finished aluminum frame, and durable ABS-round plastic corners, this board not only looks good but also keeps your content safe and secure. The Viz-Pro notice board is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for home, school, office, stores, dormitories, and classrooms, you name it. Plus, it's designed for flexible mounting, so you can set it up horizontally or vertically to suit your space. And here's a little tip for you: cleaning is a breeze. Just use water or mild soapy water to clean the acrylic cover surface. Avoid using any harsh glass cleaning solutions to prevent permanent damage. Now, let's see what you get in the box and how easy it is to set up. Inside the box, you'll find the notice board itself, fixing kits, and accessories. Everything you need to get started is right here. Setting up this notice board is a piece of cake. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll have it up and running in no time. And there you have it, folks. The Viz-Pro tamper-proof lockable cork notice board. If you're in the market for a top-notch bulletin board that combines style, security, and functionality, this is the one to get. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy organizing!